now check the time. Yo, I was gonna be yeah, I was gonna literally be playing music and then watch the time. It's now 9:24, well 9:25. If you hear me loud and super clear, man, let me get some ones in the chat. I'll be truly grateful. And let's start off with our rule number one, which is literally gratitude, right? With your gratitude, we're gonna start off the day right. We're gonna start off the day. We're gonna start off the week right. Well, not the week. We're going through the week really really good. We have this awesome one. We're gonna have our awesome mindset right. We have your mind right. We'll be grateful. We'll be thankful. All right, we gotta thank God for life, health, and strength, of course. All right, of course, right? Too. All right, and we gotta be grateful for what we have or what we're going to have, right? So we gotta be grateful. We gotta be thankful, right? Now, let me know if you hear me. Let me know if you hear me loud and clear in the chat. Let me get someone to hear me loud and clear in the chat. All right, as always, I believe you guys hear me because YouTube hear me. Yeah, YouTube hear me. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Um, Make sure you guys on the Zoom hear me before we even take a trade and you guys miss the trade and I was like, you're not hearing me, yo, that'd be crazy. But anyways, yeah, you guys hear me. Lovely, lovely. Thank you very much, Mr. Giselle. Really, really appreciate it. But let's kick it off. Let's kick it off to our rule number two. Right? In which we know rule number one is just literally being grateful. We gotta be grateful, we gotta be thankful, right? Now, rule number two is actually checking the news, right? Are we gonna be checking the news on Forex Factory to see what major news is gonna affect the United States dollar this morning? Alright. Now we don't have no major news, but we have news. We have a lot of members speaking today. 2 o'clock, 2:05, together at 3 o'clock. Wow, that's a lot. And 3:30. That's a lot of news that's gonna be affecting United States dollar this today, not this morning, today. All right, cool. And then tomorrow we are NFP to actually trade with. So we good. This week is actually NFP week. When is CPI? Next week is CPI week. All right, cool. Yeah. So we are no news this morning. We Gucci for this morning. We are no red fuller news or high impact news. Nothing like that. We super good. We super good. We super good. We super good. All right. Now, as you go forward to rule number three is no new risk. We all know we risk the reward always, always, always. All right. Now, we had some losses, honestly, but knowing we risk the reward is very, very crucial because with the risk, we know we could actually make it back with one trade, two trade, three trades, sometimes four trades, right? We actually right there to actually, be back break even and so forth, right? Now some of you guys maybe are literally at break even already, who was, taking trades and stuff already, and who got a nice buy position on the Japan, which was really good last night. I made it back. Big up yourself, congratulations. Right. But we risk management is very, very crucial. You wanna know we risk always and to our reward, right? So your risk gonna be 300 pips, 3,000 points, 3% of our account. Alright, literally, alright. Always. That's for one. Two, the daily tag is gonna be 10%. So if you're using the compound daily and let's say you have $100 account, 10% literally on a daily basis. Right now, daily basis could be 5% now, 5% later. Right, could be like that too. Right, and let's say you're running this for a trading how many days in a trading month is literally 20 days. So let's say you want to hit 2 months, which is like 40 days, right? And no, we don't trade on weekends. And you click on calculate now, and within 40 trading days. All right, let me make sure everything right. 10%, 100%, boom. Calculate now. Is it calculating? No, it's a calculate. Let me just refresh the page. Alright, cool. So let's say you have $100 account, so 10% on a daily basis. Are we going for literally 40 days? No, we don't treat our weekends. We actually chillax on the weekends. Alright, and as you scroll down, click on calculate now. Let's be written 40 days of hitting 10% on a hundred account. That's 2 months. You can actually accumulate, close to 1400 USD, right? Really good move right there, alright? Now we have a minute again, so let's jump to the charts. I believe you guys know how to use the compound plan. So we ain't going in detail this morning, man. Let's see what this market have for us. We have literally 21 seconds again. Why this thing only falling off? Going on here, right? 14 seconds ago. That's crazy. Alright, cool. I guess I have it. I guess it's good. 3 seconds, alright, cool. Let me watch your markets for a more. Alright, so we're looking at the US 30. Right now, US 30 giving us some good volume, honestly. She breaking out. She gave us first breakout already there. I'm waiting, yo. I'm waiting. I don't want to happen any trade just I'm waiting. Alright, now this was a good breakout. This first little high here. Alright, she approaching the entry. Bingo. This is good volume. This is really good volume. Alright, so she gave us a pullback. To me, this could be a pullback to retest, so she now break out there. Alright. So I'm looking at US study right now, guys. Good volume. Honestly, that's really good volume. Alright, cool. I'm buying US study right now. I mean, on buys on US study right now. Got it here. Stop loss is 3,000 points. And the reason why I take this is because we are slightly late entry. This entry down here was literally re-entry down here. We are supposed to get right. Now, I actually wanted to see that break to be honest. TP on this trade gonna be 9,000 points. Now we wanna adjust for the market, right? The reason why I say we wanna adjust for the market because you see how the market is actually running these days, right? Reaching very good and then pulling back at this kind of stuff, right? So we wanna be good. We wanna be good, right? So 3,000 points is my stop loss. 9,000 points is my TP. All right, that's a 1, 2, 3. When she pull back and stop me out, wow! As soon as I said it, she pull back and stop me out. Okay, all right. All right. Okay, cool. So she pull back. I like how my spread's moving on this. I really like that's too much lagging going on. Too much lagging going on. All right, that's not nice. Yeah, but that's like, huh. Okay, cool. So we got support on the trade with 3,000 points. Honestly, yeah, I'm still looking at it, waiting to see exactly if she gonna actually drop. If she drop to these lows, cool. I don't mind taking a sell off. Close. Right, we still on yesterday. Yesterday actually buy up to the highs and now she come back down. And if I get yesterday at a deep entry, you'll actually smack the 900 people, literally move right there and there. Yeah, that'll be a nice quick aha moment. Yeah, she's dropping. I need a reasonable support area where you can actually take it properly without hesitation. Now, the first trade we took here, we actually followed my strategy where they break out, which just pull back immediately and drop back down, right? Literally, right? Now, with that being said, this is still a good one actually. Okay, cool. We waiting. Oh, nice. waiting. All right, cool. USD not breaking that. Ooh, that's a nice drop there. That's a nice drop there. Yesterday market conditions is so crappy though. Like, geez, we need to see some sort of movement. If I'm gonna take this sell off, if I'm gonna take this sell off, break the test, break the test, break the test, break. Then let's test the area. Yeah, I'm waiting. I like how Nas actually giving us a drop. Now USD gotta reject and give me that drop same way too. If USD give me that drop from there, I don't mind. Yeah. I'm taking a sell on USD right there. Alright, in on sales on US 30 right now. Right now it have the big mini had the mini version for the US 30 and had the big version for US 30, right? So we in on sales on US 30 again. This is a deep proper entry kind of trade. Stop loss gonna be literally 3,000 points again. Good drop right now, which is cool. Now if you only know my TP, gonna be a little crazy, but would I be able to take her to my pivot? That is the question. Alright, cool. So my TP gonna be literally 23. That's a lot. 23,000 points is my take profit. Alright, we slightly blue right now, running literally 200% profit. We need to see that big drop, yo. I hear the craziest part. So Nas actually reject there too. Nas could actually give us a same drop in area, which would be cool. 1, 2, 3. 22,000 points is my take profit. Stop loss is 3,000 points. Good rejection. Gonna see pull back again. So we can take this trade for a nice continuation trade going straight down. Woo-wee! Look at that drop, yo. Let's go. Running literally backward. 300% profit right now. Like, let's go, man. Let's go, US 30. Yeah, let's get it, man. 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 Wow, what was she pulled back? So what I've actually studied also, this market giving us some pullbacks there. Even if she pull back and stop us, we could have taken like re-entry for the sell off, right? Because this market want to drop. Um, I was actually so they're gonna be sending like more signals, more trade signals in the group. Even if we have a winning day, losing day, whatsoever, yeah, I'm gonna be sending out like more trade ideas in the group, like more than one, more than two, because honestly, how the market conditions is actually rolling during these times, market's moving really crappy, literally as you can see. All right, and after like an hour after whatsoever, the markets actually play out really nice, right? Now, honestly, how I'm looking at it, I want to see everyone actually get those kind of sweet trades and bangers. Yeah, this thing and pull back if we stop losses. Markets, ooh, messed up, yo. Whoa, look at that gap down, yo, back in profits. Let's go, let's go, let's go. In US 30, back in profits, yo. Very close. I'm stopping us out, and she come right back to the profit. Are we talk mode? Are we talk mode? Are we talk mode? Nas now break the high, which is cool. Come on, chart load, man. Uh, Come on, chart. I need my chart. Right, yeah. We good, we good, we good, we good in profit, we good in profit, we good in profit, we good in profit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo, this thing is loading. Not much. All right, cool. We back literally good in profits. 200 pips right now in profit. Yeah, but let's go. Let's go. Just 30. I would want to say my. I don't think it's my internet connection is moving like that, because that's just crazy. I gotta come to my IC markets, man. Good job right now. Good job right now. Cool. Slight little pullback. And this market gonna drop it. Just see. This market gonna give us some nice drops. Yeah, see, she gonna some side pullbacks. Alright, so look like she's gonna stop us out. Yo, why this market running like this, yo? Alright, so she giving us, she coming back down, she coming back down, she coming back down, which is good. Coming back down to the entry. Back to the entry. Back in profits. Let's go, girl. I think I need to close out Japan. Yeah, Japan close. What are you talking about? Me and studying Japan right now. Come on, we need to see that fall, man. We need to see a fall, man. Let's go, Japan. Let me Japan. Let's go US 30. Yeah, she's rejecting a lot of the times there. That's some strong rejections. Alright, that's giving us some pullbacks to be stop loss here, man. If there's 1 minute can actually flip, yeah, the stop was gonna hit your head. But if she continue falling, fulfilling the wick to the bottom, that's gonna be really good. Wow. Look at these. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this condition, yo. Alright, cool. Rejecting. She rejecting to show us some bullish move there. Alright, boom. That stop loss hit. After reaching 1 to 1, literally, how much was risking? She reached that same amount and then rejected, going back up to the upside. This is some crazy market conditions. We actually trading in, which is really, really crazy, alright? I got one more trade in me, man. I got one more trade in me, man. Let me see how she's gonna move. Alright, let me see how she's gonna move. Nas actually rejected again. Alright, Nas actually rejected again to show us to the dunks to actually go to the dunk side. This market's him giving us no clear direction. No Nas pumping you. New 5 minute candle. Nah, guys, I rather take it on Mazda USDT. I'll take it. I feel I may take a rest on USDT for now. Nas actually dropped. She reached my trend line rejected. Cool, cool. That's not a problem. It's not a problem. Should actually 600 plus. Alright, Nas, that's a good break. Um, wrong lot size. Hey guys, you can actually take the sales on us. Alright, if you guys got the sales on us, sell Nas 100. Yeah, you guys supposed to be in strict profits one time. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. That we talking about. That we talking about. That we talking about. That we talking about. Straight profits one time, man. That we talk about. Then I wire me a trade on Nas. Well, let's trade it on Nas. Alright, I got it at the break right here, honestly, which is cool. Right now we're running good, good in profits. The stop loss is 3,000 points. Always, always, always. As a matter of fact, nah. The stop loss is 2,500 points. Yeah, 2,500 points instead of 3. So she pull back. Alright, cool. Back to your entry. Didn't give you guys no TPS yet, but that's no we stop loss is 2,500 points, right? Some side. Um, alright, cool. Right now she playing by entry, back to entry, slightly in profits. Let you see this thing drop now. Alright. Now my TP on the trade. Let you see if I can take her right back down. Alright, good job right now, good job right now, good job right now. Plus US 30 now actually, as it pushed it back to the entry. I don't mind taking back the re-entry on US 30 also. But my TP on US 100, I've had this area here, alright. But my TP on US 100 is literally 14,000 points. We're running for the 14,000 points as we take profit. Actually, want to take her back down from where she actually started all the bullish pressure. And also, and also this is optional. I'm gonna take back the re-entry on US 30 cells right now. So I've actually re-entered on US 30 cells right now. Yeah, I ain't playing that. We ain't missing out on that on this drop. Stop loss gonna be literally 3,000 points. CNAS give us a pullback to the entry. And my TP on NAS gonna be literally how much it was before. Yeah, big drop on US 30. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Big drop, yo. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Are you talking about? Big drop, man. Let's get it, man. Running 300 pips in profit again on US 30. Come on, Nas. We need that fall. We need that fall. We need that fall. I got a new 5 minute candle. I don't know how far I can actually take USD down. That's the main thing there. Yeah, we are actually managing two trades at once, which is cool. Sounds like, but let's see if we could actually take it down. Alright, cool. I'm gonna have a take profit on USD for literally look my pivot there. For literally 22,000 points is my take profit on US30 because we in on the sales. Alright, we running good in profit. And we take profit on NAS is literally well I see she gonna see pullback. Yeah, he done with Nas, boy. Nas gave us some good drop and now she pulling back to his stops for 2,500 points. Now we good on Nas on USD drops right now. Now she purchased up us out good rejection. US Nas 100. Let's go. Right now we're running 500 pips on USD right now. Let's go. So that was a pullback to retest it and now she giving us the full drop. Plus Nas actually rejecting, which is good. Come on, we need to see it fall. Once again, let's two sweet bangers literally on USD for 22,000 points and then Nas for literally how much? How much is Nas take profit? 14,000 points. That's gonna be really good. 1400 pip plus 22. That's gonna be really good. All right. Now we up like 500 pips on US30 sales right now, and well, Nas giving us some pullbacks. All right, cool. Nas. Now I'm not gonna open up my stop loss on Nas. I'm gonna leave Nazi 25,000 points stop loss. Honestly, she pulled back and stop mode. Cool. Yeah. See exactly. She pulled back and stop me there right on Nas 100. We got USD right now, guys. If USD come and save the day, cool. Gonna make back everything, honestly. But USD actually running like 600 pips in profits. So if you want, you can actually move to break even as we hold on this thing for 22,000 points on this market. All right, honestly, you know, as a good job right now. Something's right, but this market gotta fall. Yeah, I've literally tripled down on this US30 sales because boy oh boy, why not? This market gotta fall, right? We know she gotta fall, right? We know she gotta fall, right? Yep, she gotta fall. Really big. Yeah, she gotta fall. She gotta fall. She gotta fall. She break her next area there. Boom. Yeah, this market is going down. She could actually drop this market. Could actually drop to these lows here, right? So this is gonna be a really nice big trade. Honestly, I wanna actually get a nice 50% kind of trade also, but I mean, all I'll come and play pretty soon, right? Right now, you're running literally 800 pips on USD, which is good. Something good, something slight. So I'm alright. Right, this trade should actually be a risk-free trade, as I was saying. Which one Nas buy off now? Crazy. But anyways, we're running good in profits on US30 right now. 900 pips in profit. Let's go. We only 2200 pip US30. See, US30 always come and save the day after taking it buy up, fake us out. We took the sell down, pull back to retest it, then we get a drop. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, boy, nice, boy. Yeah, boy, nice, boy. Alright. I will put back this in here. I don't know why this ain't right there. Meanwhile, buddy, yesterday I told her now. Cause boy, oh boy, yesterday is she's doing what she gotta do. When she break that low on yesterday, it's gonna be really good. This one, you 5 minute, yeah, the only 5 minute candle, cool. So, and you could expect a side pullback. You could expect a side pullback to make our next new lower low. See this market dropping. All right. So we take three L's this morning. One, two, three, three, six, seven, eight, eight. Let's say 900 pip. Right now, which party market is at is literally 800 pips on profit right now on US 30. If you want, you could actually lock in and call it another break even day. I rather hit break even than actually a loss. All right. Which is good, just smart. All right. Now, you could also actually move to break even, boom, on this awesome yesterday trade. And if you hold out for the full 2200 pip, which is 22,000 points, 22,000 ticks, cool. She could drop and give us a nice big move there. All right, just some side. So we could also do 2200 pip, half of 22 is 11. As soon as we reach 1100 pips in profit, then we could actually take some partials out of this market and see this thing continue falling. All right, so yeah, we still gotta expect a slight little pullback again for a testing area, and then we could see a fall of this US 30 market again. Now, these market conditions, as I was saying, is very, very. I don't want to say unpredictable because we're going with the market. With the market give us, we're taking it. Um, but at the same time, with the market conditions as you're seeing it right now, she buy up and then she sold down really good. This is a nice sell off, right? Literally, this was a nice sell off, right? Now, with this sell off here, she actually pretty high, rejected off of the high because in previous structure she had a rejection area and then she dropped. Cool, that's not a problem. All right, making a new lower low, lower high, lower low. She's gonna make a new lower high to make a new lower low. All right, so if you ain't actually catering for the lower high, you can lock in some profits. If you cater for the lower high, you can either move break even or you can actually lessen your stop loss. Either or, alright? Now I'm still catering for the lower high to be created just like this. So you may see some bullish pressure and then a sell off. You see some bullish pressure, possibly to be entry and then some selling pressure. Whoa, she gave us a drop already, yo. Now if she break that low, that's a new lower low. 900% profit. I'm quadrupling down on this trade. Come on, I need another entry on this trade, man. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Nah, not 0.01. Yeah, we running 1,000 pip in profit. You could actually take some partials out of this market. I under leverage on this trade, yo. No, it's under leverage. I see we're saying that could actually take place on this sweet winning trade. Alright, cool. So I've actually took right. Hope you guys actually take some partials out of this market. We have a minute again for the hourly. To me, the hourly is gonna be bearish same way too. So you may see some more bearish, meaning selling pressure going on in this market, which is cool. Come on, yesterday. It's about that time, man. We're running big time in profit. Hope you guys actually move to break even or move your stop loss in profit so you won't actually lose nothing. Alright. If you take partials already, that's not a problem. Right now we're literally 900% profit. Doing a side pullback. We have 15 seconds for this count to actually close. Is my account balance? Okay, cool. Let me use my correct lot size now. Okay, cool. So this is the new hourly candle I'm watching here on US 30. No, I'm not watching US 30 hourly candle, but I'm watching it only 1 minute. Um, honestly, it break as this little low here on the 1 minute. This not the last low. Have a certain low, honestly, it pass in order for me to know it could actually hold all this trade. 9 seconds to go on this candle. Come on, let's go, girl. Pam badam 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 pam 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 pam. Change some rejections. Let me see this 5 minutes really quick. Alright, 5 minutes close as a doji candle. If she break the high of the quick, cool, we can lock in something. If she actually reject and break the low, we can hold on the full. Alright, honestly, right? So yeah. On the 5 minute, 5 minute looking good. So the 5 minutes, basically I want to see it past the body of the last candle. On the 5 on US 30 to see this continue falling. Bingo. I'm in on another sell on this. US 30 sells, man. Literally. What other rejects? Yeah, we just doubling down on the streets. Hmm. Thanks, I've taken. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. I had a whole lot of street. Alright, cool. So cool. There she breaking the high, but I'm catering for the pullback. And then I could actually see her continue falling, right? So I'm not gonna actually stay long in this market. If I see opportunity, gonna post it in the chat. Subscribe, man.